Good morning, good morning, good morning. Now, when I first got into motovlogging, it wasn't just about riding motorbikes, making videos and chatting to you guys that interested me. In actual fact, a lot of it was down to the love of making videos and editing and putting things together, stitching it together, making something that looked fairly semi-professional. And that's part of the thing that I love so much about this. But there's like channels out there that the quality of their editing and their skills is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, for me, one of the ones that does it the best, and I don't know if he's still going actually, I've not seen his videos for a long time, but a channel called Max Wrist, he had a serious bike accident a little while back, and I think some of his friends got seriously injured as well. But his videos, much as I can't condone his riding styles or speeds or the way he deports himself on the road, the editing in his videos is something to behold. I mean, if you get a chance to watch them, just the way he does a lot of the cuts, the slow motion sections, it's just phenomenal. I mean, I haven't got the equipment, I haven't got the time, and I certainly haven't got the ability to do anything like that, but I think most people that do motovlogging or any sort of video editing sort of try and aim themselves towards a particular channel that they enjoy watching, that, you know, does good work, good editing, good filming, and I'm no different. So I look at different things, try and make filming different, or editing different, to make it a bit more interesting. Now, with a 360 camera, that gives you other options, and with those options, you know, you're looking for different angles, different colouring, different speed, different whatever, just to make it stand out a little bit more. And it really is interesting to be sitting there on a computer or on a phone and just see what you can do with your cameras and try and change things up a little bit. Because editing video is great fun. It's great fun. It's almost like you know, creating a painting, a bit of graffiti, a story. You're putting together something that you've created from the tools and the palettes that you've been given. And I think a lot of people that do motovlogging or any other sort of vlogging feel the same way. They want to produce something that's a little bit special, or a little bit different, or a little bit interesting, something that people will enjoy. Anyway, I'll leave you there. That's my little chat for today. I'll say today, this is the second part of this ride, and I'm just trying to get as many videos in as I possibly can. So stay safe, everyone, have fun. I'll catch you on the flip side.